Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina. You guys, there are so many fantastic deals to share over at Walgreens for this week. I will be coming out with 2 videos today. I just had too many things to fit on my table. So here is what I'm going to tell you in this video. I'm going to tell you the deals I did in store. I'm going to tell you the deals I did as curbside pickup orders. I will tell you what I found on clearance, 90% off, as well as how I used the spend $60, get $15 in Walgreens Cash booster. So we're going to cover all of those things in this video. The second video that's coming out today is 2 different deals, but they are amazing. So I'm going to film, edit, and post that one as soon as this one gets posted. So definitely stay tuned for that video as well. Let's start out with 90% off Father's Day clearance. I popped into Walgreens last night on my way home, and I found a number of different items. So this little dashing chess set, just $1. I picked up the same dashing, this little dartboard set, 50 cents. Now, the majority of the items were gone, but I'm trying to show you the ones I can. This little LED pocket tool, this was just 80 cents. And then the lights, camera, action game, this was 50 cents. So check out your store. One of my stores was tagged. All of the items were gone. So I took pictures of the tags. I'll include those at the end of the video. Then I stopped by a second store. That store was not tagged, and that's where I was able to pick up these items. But of course, I couldn't get a picture of the item with the clearance tag for you. So at the end, you'll see the clearance tags. That way you at least know the names of the products that you can be on the lookout for. But in my store, they tend to have like seasonal items like Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas, all in one specific section of the store. So I would check there first, then check if your store has a specific clearance section, check there second. Okay, so first thing about in-store deals this morning, none of the prices were ringing up correctly. So that's frustrating. So if you don't want to deal with that, maybe wait a little bit until the Walgreens system wakes up this morning so that things ring up the correct price. I did these deals in store. My store is amazing. The employees are awesome. I show them in the ad what the price should be, and then they price modified. It's not fun for them. It's not fun for us. I only did a couple of in-store deals, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But if you're doing a bunch, you might want to wait until you know the prices are ringing up correctly. So this is what I did. I grabbed 2 of the Garniers. These are 2 for $7. Again, they weren't ringing up that way, but they are 2 for $7 as stated in the ad. There is a $3 digital coupon. So you'll pay $4. You'll get a $4 register reward back, making them both completely free. The only other deal I did in store is this Dollar Shave Club. They are buy one, get one half off. They also did not ring that way, but they should ring buy one, get one half off. So one is $6.99, the other should ring $3.49. I had a $6.99 digital coupon, so I paid $3.49. But when you buy 2 of these, you get a $3 register reward, which I did get. All of my register rewards printed this morning perfectly. So I paid 49 cents total for these, or just 24 cents each. Now, can you use Walgreens Cash to pay for these? Absolutely. There's no issue with doing that when you're getting a register reward back. Okay, the rest of the items you see here are deals I placed online for curbside pickup. This is how I did my spend 60, get 15. I'm going to tell you about each of the deals individually, and then I put them all together as one large transaction for that spend 60, get 15 in Walgreens Cash digital booster that I had. But let's just say you want to do the deals individually. Let me tell you how those work out. This Azo urinary tract health, this is priced at $11.49. There's a $5 manufacturer coupon as well as a $5 store coupon. Those will stack together, saving you $10. That leaves your final cost to be just $1.49 for that product. Now, a couple of Ibotta deals, the Compede. These are $9.99. There is a $3 store digital as well as a $2 manufacturer digital coupon. So you'll pay $4.99. But there is a $5 rebate on Ibotta, making this completely free. And I was hanging out with my brother last night for his 50th birthday, which was super fun. And he's like an ultra runner. He's one of those crazy people that runs for like 24 hours straight or will run like super long races. No, thank you. But I had taken him a box of these because I thought if anyone needs like blister care, it has to be someone who does like ultra running. And he was like, oh yeah, these are fantastic. So I was like, I think they're on sale again tomorrow at Walgreens. I'll get you another pack. So great deal on that. Another Ibotta deal is on the Sting Kill. These are $5.99. There is a $1 digital coupon. So you'll pay $4.99, then get $3 back on Ibotta, making your final cost just $1.99. Now, if I wasn't doing a spend deal, I probably wouldn't pay $1.99 for this, but it ends up being way less when we put it together with a spend booster. Now, if you are not using Ibotta yet, grab it using my referral code because you'll score an additional $10 when you scan that first receipt. Now, the Lotrimin, this is something that my son uses. So I went ahead and bought it because I think it's a decent price. It is $9.99. There is both a $3 manufacturer digital as well as a $3 store digital, making your final cost just $3.99. Now, these Suave products, this was the cheapest product that my store had. These are 2 for $5. There is a $3 digital coupon, making them 2 for $2 or just $1 each. Now, check your store to see if they have cheaper products because I know there were some $1.99 products that $3 off 2 coupon attached to, making your final cost 50 cents for both of those items. My store just didn't carry those. It was stuff like that green apple shampoo and conditioner. There were a couple other, there might have even been an Ocean Breeze, but I grabbed the body wash. Now, a fantastic deal on the number 7. These are buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens Cash, but there are high value digital coupons. So this number 7 Radiance is $5.99. There's a $5 digital coupon. This number 7 foundation is $7.43. There's a $4 digital coupon. So after those coupons come off, you'll pay $4.42, but then you get back $5 in Walgreens Cash for buying 2 products, making your final cost completely free and a 58-cent moneymaker. Great, great deal. Also, awesome deal on the Shea Moisture Soap. You can see I have one large one and one small one. That's because they made a substitution for me. I should have gotten 2 of these bigger ones at $4.19. They're buy one, get one half off. So one will bring $4.19, the other will bring $2.09. There is a $5 digital, making your final cost $1.28 for both of them or just 64 cents each. Now, when I do substitutions, I always say substitutions are okay. Well, I don't always say that, but I almost always say substitutions are okay. I'm planning to do a video that kind of talks through how I decide if I do same brand only, any brand, or no substitution. So stay tuned for that video. But great deal on these Shea Moisture soaps. Now, this Bic deal, these are $2.99. There's a $4 digital coupon. This is only going to work if you do it curbside or online. That $4 digital won't come off in store unless you buy an item over $4. So this was $2.99. That $4 digital takes off $2.99, making the item completely free. I also picked up this Epson Salt. Again, I keep getting that $1.50 digital, like only for you coupon. These are only $1.99, so that $1.50 coupon makes them just 49 cents. Now, I added in some groceries because I wanted to get to my spend 60, and these were some grocery deals on sale. The Mott's apple juice is 2 for $5. And that definitely beats the grocery store price near me. And then the Doritos were kind of expensive, but again, I did it with a spin deal, so it made it less so. They are $5.59, but they're buy one, get one free. So that takes them down to $2.79 each. Now, I purchased all of those items on one transaction. So everything I just talked about, except the ones I did in store. So not the Garnier and not the Dollar Shave, but everything else. My total before coupons was $77.73. My total after store coupons, because you have to be at your spend amount after the store coupons come off. My total after store coupons was $65.73. After all my coupons, my total was $34.24. I got back 15 for spending, 60. I got back 5 for the number 7 products in Walgreens Cash. I got back the $5 for the Compete on Ibotta, the $3 for the Sting Kill on Ibotta, making my final cost $6.24 for all of these items here. Couple of things. I also went through Rakuten and I got $1.23 back on Rakuten because it's 2% cash back. Everything else about the process is the same. I just go to Rakuten first, type in Walgreens, and it reroutes me over to the Walgreens website. If you are brand new to Rakuten and you spend $30 out of pocket, you're going to get $30 back when you use my link. So I'll drop my link down below. Sign up for Rakuten, spend $30 out of pocket, you're going to get $30 back. So if you did this exact transaction, not only would you have all of the money back that I just talked about, but you'd also get $30 back for spending $30. So amazing, amazing deal for new users there. Here's what I want to tell you about. I screwed up this morning. I was trying to get to the spend 60. I did have a coupon code, but remember you have to be at the spend amount after that coupon code comes off. And I screwed up my math and I wasn't. So I did not, I was not able to make it work that way. But if you want to play with it, the Get 25 promo code is working for purchases over $20. It's on certain items. But that was going to take off like another $10. I just didn't have additional deals to get me up above that 60, and I was trying to get this done as quickly as possible. So that's why I don't have that coupon code deal to share with you guys. But like I said, I have a couple of different Tide deals coming, so stay tuned for that. If you have questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop them down below. If you found an amazing deal, please share it with us. One last request. I am getting crazy busy. This is still just a one-woman show. It is just me doing all of this. And so I am struggling to keep up with all of the questions and comments and messages I'm getting on all the different platforms. So please help each other. If someone asks a question and you 100% know the answer to it, answer it. I'm cool with that. I love it. You're helping me and I really appreciate that. If you find a deal that I haven't talked about, tell us about it. Let's help each other because that we all win, right? So thank you and I appreciate that. And if I'm not responding to your comment, just have patience with me. I am doing the very best I can. All right, hope y'all have a great start to the week. Stay tuned for my next video coming out shortly.